Guys, we got the package from the Nutrigona official shop, Surabaya City, and the packages should be Madu Gholiban from Kalimantan. This is the specification. Gholiban honey. This is the prices. I use some coins. Actual price is this. Okay, you can see inside. Oh, it's sold out. This is honey, and let's see inside. First, find the weak point of these packages. Should be on the top. And underneath the side, so we can cut it side by side. Oh, it's already open, easy to open. The packages is like this. Wait to make sure easier to exit. I will open this. Empty. And this is the things. Gholiban jungle honey. This is specification. This is the expired date, 1 kilograms. Gholiban is embossed in here. You can open. Wow, it's on seal. This has been patterned in here. It's said that original. I will open this. Yeah, strong enough. I will cut it by one. And the seal is very strong. I don't know why. Ooh, there's a gas inside. This. Oh yes, I will bring a plate. Okay, I bring a glass of water and the plate, and check the honey. Open this. And see the liquid that's in here. Ooh, it's very thick. It's very thick and pulled. You can see this. Oh. Okay. And we test with the water. And we give a shake a little. The real honey will make a hexagon pattern like this. As you remember from where they made, look at the magic effect. Hexagon pattern. What a perfect honey. So we know from this experiment, it shows us this honey is real. Thank you for watching.